What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can use the awesome smart lookup feature in Excel to get a better idea of the data that you're working with. Also, to insert various pieces of information such as hyperlinks and images pertaining to the piece of information that you're trying to get better understanding of. So here we have an example of just sample employee data. Please note this is totally sample data. And let's just say you wanted to get more insight into the various cities that these employees are from. You may not have heard of this city before. So to get more insight into the city, we can just go to View tab, and then under the Insights grouping, click on Smart Lookup. After doing that, it will search menu will pop up, and it will search for web results on Bing about this city. And this is pretty cool. You can see we have a Wikipedia article at the top, and then we have various news pieces down here. We can even click Show More to kind of read a description of the city per Wikipedia. Now, one thing that too is great because you can look up information from multiple places. So right now it says all, but we can have it to where it will go from just the web, or you can also have various pieces of media show up too. So you can see, clicking on that, various pieces of images of the city come up. We can also have it go from the help page too. There's nothing in the help page related to the city, but just know that that's an option. And then scrolling down to, you can also search files on your computer. I don't have any files on my computer related to this, but it's to know that it is an option. And you can also click Browse Files from your machine to select whatever additional file that you may want. You can also click down to and look up various data types. There aren't any data types related to the city, but that's just kind of a note too, if you're trying to get insight into a type of data. So, scrolling back to the web piece, one thing that's cool too is you can use this to help insert hyperlinks. So, click on this little more options menu right here, and you can click on Insert Link to then make the text a hyperlink, which is pretty cool. Now, whenever you click on this link, it will then take you to the web page. You can also click Open, so open the link in Microsoft Edge, and then, or you can flag as inappropriate if you want to. One thing that's really cool about this feature too is you can use it to insert images. So clicking on Media, you can highlight over Image and click on the image, and then copy it. And as you can see, it pastes not only the image, but it also pastes a hyperlink beneath of the image with the friendly name being the title of the image that the website gives it, which is pretty cool. And you can also choose only Creative Commons images, or you can just choose all images if you'd like to. And you can even click on this More Actions menu at the top, and you can even see the link right here and the dimensions of the image, which is very helpful. If you're, for example, using the image function to get the image in Excel, you can get the link to the image right there, or you can see the size of the image to make sure that it pulls in properly. Yeah, and you don't have to highlight over cell and click on a smart lookup to be able to get this into get this kind of information in your spreadsheet. You can also search whatever you want to, such as say we search up Friday, for example. We're not necessarily in data types, but we just wanted to search Friday for all. As you can see, it pulls up information related to Friday, and we can click on this plus menu right here, and then have a link to the dictionary, the definition of Friday. And as you can see, we can see various pieces of information related to Friday. So I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.